If you are looking for a wireless Bluetooth headphone that also falls in the budget segment, Boat Rockerz 400 wireless Bluetooth headphone is a perfect choice. But does it meet up the expectations? Is Boat Rockerz 400 worth the price? We will find it out in this video. Hello everyone, I am Rahul from Tech Review and welcome back to another special episode. Special because this is the first ever giveaway on this channel. In this video, I will review Boat Rockerz 400 wireless Bluetooth headphone and give it away to you guys. Yes, you can win this as a gift. Keep watching this video as in the later part of this video, I will reveal how you can win this wireless Bluetooth headphone for free. But before that, let's unbox this. And with that being said, let's get started. Boat Rockerz 400 wireless Bluetooth headphone comes in a nice packaging. We have got this nice box in black color with Boat branding on it. As you can see Boat Rockerz 400 labeling here and also other terms like wireless music and calls on the go and extra powerful bass. On the back side, all the features of Boat Rockerz 400 wireless Bluetooth headphone are mentioned. 8 hours of music playback, 2 hours of charging time, standby up to 100 hours and many more. This wireless Bluetooth headphone is compatible with Android as well as iOS. So no matter whether you are intended to use it on your Android phone or iPhone, if your phone has good Bluetooth connectivity, you can use it wirelessly. The Boat Rockerz 400 comes in 5 different color combinations: grey and green, black and blue, black and red, black and carbon black. But we have got this unit in black and blue color. Okay, lots of talk about features. Let's see what's inside it. And here we go. Let's put this aside for a moment. And the package contains a nice looking Boat Rockerz 400 wireless Bluetooth headphone, along with other accessories like a USB charging cable. Yes, it comes with a built-in rechargeable battery that you can charge using this USB charging cable. And we have also got this auxiliary cable in the box, which allows you to turn this wireless headphone into a wired headphone. Wondering how? I'll talk about it in the later part of this video. So stay tuned. And for now, let's take a close look at Boat Rockerz 400 design. And as you can see, this unit in the black and blue color looks beautiful. It has also got nice Boat branding on the both ear cups. The cushions used in both ear cups are very soft and feels nice. Although Boat Rockerz 400 headphone has got a plastic body, but is strong enough that it can be extended depending upon your head size. And the ear cups can be rotated as well. So I believe it will fit easily onto your head. Talking about the ports and controls, it has got a USB charging port, a port for aux cable, 2 volume rockers along with a center button for play or pause, then a built-in mic, while on the other ear cup there is one LED indicator and another for noise cancellation. Talking about the pros and cons, the biggest pros is the Boat Rockerz 400 is beautifully well designed and so compact as you can fold the ear cups like this and it will fit even in a small space. So good if you are a frequent traveler. Also, unlike other headphones that can irritate you even with few minutes of usage, it's soft and feels good even if you use it for longer duration. And on top of all, Boat Rockerz 400 wireless Bluetooth headphone also comes with an auxiliary cable. This is a nice and useful accessory, especially in case your battery is running low and you don't have access to charging ports. Simply take this cable out and connect the one end to the headphone while plugging the other end to your phone. That's how you can turn this wireless headphone into a wired headphone. And this will work as a normal earphone without consuming battery power. And now that we are talking about battery, on the packaging box, Boat says it has got 8 hours of music playback. But I could only achieve approx 6.5 hours of battery usage since fully charged. Although the battery can be fully charged in approx 2 hours, and that's true. The Boat Rockerz 400 wireless Bluetooth headphone has also got a mic with noise cancellations, which means you can use it to accept calls as well. But while testing, I noticed some hiss sound and the audio wasn't as clear as it could be. And this is the biggest cons I noticed in this wireless headphone. Well, if you are going to use its mic, don't purchase it. But if you are going to listen to music using this headphone, go for it because it's a nice budget headphone. Overall, Boat Rockerz 400 is a well-designed, beautiful and good quality wireless Bluetooth headphone that you can get without breaking your budget. It's priced at just under $29, but usually you can get it for approx 1500 rupees on Amazon. Upon my first few days of testing, I noticed that the audio quality is decent. Although I use Apple's AirPods as my daily driver and initially thought that Boat Rockerz 400 won't meet up to my expectations. But it has certainly performed well and hasn't disappointed me yet. So considering the price, it's worth it and you won't regret buying it. So this wraps up our review of Boat Rockerz 400 wireless Bluetooth headphone. And now let's talk about how you can get it for free. All you have to do is read the description below. You will find a link to enter the giveaway. Simply open that URL and on the next page, you will need to type your email and click enter. You may also use Facebook to enter. Once you click enter, you will see something like this. Here, it's worth noting that you need to open your inbox and check if you have received any email from us. Simply open that email and confirm your entry by clicking the confirmation link. That's it. Now return to this page and perform basic steps like following us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. You will get 10 points for each of these. However, sharing on Twitter, Facebook, Messenger, LinkedIn, etc. will get you 3 points. But here is the trick. If you share it publicly on your social profiles and any of your friends enter the giveaway, you will get 3 bonus points for every friend who enter the giveaway using your post. So share this with everyone because the more people enter, more points you will get. And finally, you can come back every day to perform these actions and get additional points. The person with the maximum points will be selected as winner. The contest will run until 2nd of March 2019 and the winner will be announced on the 4th of March 2019. And it's an international giveaway. So even if you are from outside of India, you can still win. So I wish you all the best friends. Enter the giveaway and get maximum points to win. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. This is Rahul signing off and I'll see you in the next video.